Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to set up payments for your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Shopify.com website right here and log into your Shopify account. And after logging into your account, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the options you can use for managing your website and your store, such as the home section right here. You can see your orders, your products, and so on. So guys, let's say that you want to add payment methods to your website so that you can start selling products. The first thing you want to do, guys, go ahead right here at the search at the top of the page and type in payments. Type in payments guys, and now this will open up this new website. Now this will open up this new search area where you can see all the options you can access, and one of them is a payments option. So go ahead guys and click on that, and this will now open up this settings option guys where we can check out multiple stuff. As you can see in the payment section right here, we can go ahead and choose a provider we want to use for our billing. So guys, go ahead and choose a provider and then select the provider that you can use from here. So after selecting the provider guys, just go ahead and add it to your Shopify store. As you can see, they're currently unavailable in my country. Doesn't matter, they will be available in yours, and just go ahead and proceed with the steps to add it to your account. As you can see, you can just go ahead and enter your info and click activate, and this will add it. After that guys, you can go to the billing section right here over payments, and you can add a payment method. As you can see, now let's go ahead and click the add payment method guys, and here we can add a credit card that they can use, payment method, maybe even PayPal, and so on. And as the same as before, after adding it guys, just go ahead and click the add credit card option right here or add PayPal, and it will successfully add it to your account. After you have set up all of this guys, you can even go ahead and check out the checkout option. But basically, after setting up all of this, this will now prepare your website to get started running, and people will be able to buy your products. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how do you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.